Yeah, hello, here Martin from Part People. I want to show you a quick demonstration from our web shop solution. Our web shop solution is a white label platform. You can integrate it in your own websites, no problem. And you can edit if you have a web shop. Also, we can use it similar beside your own web shop. It's possible to get both ways. Um, you have to log in with the username and the password, and I want to show it to your site from the customer. You have also a registration button on the main page. You can new consumer registration from your company, and this is a very cool, smart view from our shop. It's very easy uh, because our customer our very easy love to have easy usability in the shops. On the left side we have here the page. We can get all article numbers inside, and the web shop searching like Google. I make an example like Google, if what's the consumer searching for. In our database we have now 14 million articles, and you see it's very quick to um, to find all the articles. Here we can just choose the um, how many pieces you need, and all availables are here on the right side. From the exact time we have chosen, now it's night in Germany, 10 hours p.m. And I want to show you quick information. I'm searching for a compressor in stock from supplier Verma. It's your company, and you choose the article, and the system checks by your web service is available for the customer in your stock, and available for him if you want to order it. On the first side we have the supplier, the order number from the supplier, a description from the article, a picture, the manufacturer number, the brand, the buying price, and the selling price. And the available, the green button says yes, it's really live available in your stock. And the car says which color. Green color is available today, and orange is available and the 1st July until 12 o'clock. And you have left 18 hours to order this article. Your customer can choose different to ein ausblenden. I don't know the word in English. I'll show you. I can say the supplier. If the customer is in the buy side, you can say the buying price. It's yes or no. If you want to order the article, you choose here the basket, or you only here into the basket, and you have a personal chart. If you work with many customer in one company, it's better every worker have his own chart for order or something, and we can make commissions information, something else. Okay, I took it to the chart, and over on the right side you say the basket from the articles. It's very easy to order it. Only click into the basket, and now we check the available again. It's possible that you can sell the article a few minutes before. You can say we want to have an alternative delivery address. And after this, you can say which we want to have it per parcel service or per Spedition or something else. And here you can order the article. But we don't want to order the article now. We say okay, we want to delete it from the basket. yeah, this is a quick introduction from our web shop. Um, we have also electronic catalogs for car parts. If you want to sell car parts, we have also in our development and technical information and something else. Choose here, it's lost. See it. It's a very easy to use. But you need brake disc or something else from the engine. We also have a solution for tire platform, but I think it's better to show you later. Um, technical information we have also in our system. An example here. Choosing VW Polo. Working data and inspection information. Also available in different language. If you need it in Spain and English, it's always possible. How much oil is inside, example, or to change the timing belts, technical information, it's all inside. Comes from Hands Pro, this information. Okay, this is the site from the customer if you want to order in your web shop. And now I want to show you very cool features. We have a solution for apps that like WhatsApp for car parts and WhatsApp for industrial articles. It's very easy to using. Um, in this example, on the app side is a customer and on the website is your company. On the app side, I'm a customer, a little garage, and I need a special part from a compressor. I show you. I have here my smartphone. We have an app, Parts for You. It's an universal app you have for the Apple iOS platform and Android and the Apple Watch. I start the app and it's like the same login from the web shop. We have here information from an example from the car data or the request or overview from your deals on orders and something else. The first time we have in this case no car data, but I will show you. If you have a car, need parts from the car, we have here all information from the car. Say no, it's I don't have a car, I need special parts from a compressor. And we have a text input and say okay, like okay, we need an I say easy look to the picture, and we can choose now and make it from the camera a picture or from the gallery, and we say okay, we have here like a compressor, and I have into the picture I say there's information what I need. In the next step we can have an easy voice message. I want to don't to type so much. We can say it what you need. Look at the picture. We have then a special part. This is damaged, and we need it. Please make an offer from this article. So it's very easy. We have to say what we want, and the next step we can say what is it. We have a summary of all information from the picture, from the parts we need. We can say it's an order, it's a request, a complaint, or a affront. We say okay, we want to have a request, and the delivering time. Or say no, not next delivery. Say okay, we can have it in 3 days, no problem. So now we think we are on the app side from the customer, and now I've shown you to the website to your company. I must say we must make a department change, and now we go to the view from your workers, and we have inside the shop and ticket system. It's very easy to use. We have a transaction, and now we have here an overview view from all deals in the systems. And now we let's take a look to the side, to the app. And now we go to the app. On the app side, we remember we are the customer. And on the website here, we have the worker from your company. And now look, I click now on the button here to submit. And please have a look here in the background how fast the information from the customer who is 200 kilometers from your next shop, and how fast is the information to your worker. I say okay, I submit now, and have a look. Now it's in seconds we have all information in the ticket in the systems. From the customer we have the information here. Look, it's finished. Then we have an email. Okay, we have a new order request. The customer say okay, finished. And now we have the worker in your company have all information here from the job. We take a look about it. We have a summary, which customer is, which client came from an iOS app. The state is open, also no one is working for it. We have here the information.
We need a look at the picture. We have then a special part. This is damaged, and we need it
I think you can hear it, but it's a voicemail from the customer, and we have the picture. Let's make a download. It's very quick. It's easy. I see now what the customer need. He have here a special article is damaged from these parts. Oh, I want to have information, but we see that this part is not available until today. I think we have a new compressor for the customer. Is an example. We take to the play button and say start working. After we play this button, this job will be to an owner from your company and say okay, we confirm it. And now we change to the web shop from your customer and have all information from the quote we need. I can also look again to the details, to the media and to something else. After this we say, oh, little customer, we don't have this part, but we make a special offer from a new compressor. In this case, it's a Kaiser compressor. Okay. And then we make a basket. This is a special view from your worker. We have now here more information. We have the buying price, the selling price, and we can edit an example the price. Okay, we can make a little bit cheaper. Confirm it. Okay, a little bit cheaper for the customer. And we say, okay, we want to add it to the basket. But the customer want to have an offer. Okay, we say we want to add to this transaction something for information. Okay, we go to the details side. We say okay to the media. We make a media upload for the customer because we have an multimedia upload. Okay, we say this is a compressor. Multimedia offer, I mean, so it's viewable for the customer, visible for the customer. Say okay, yes, you can add special internal information, and here's the summary of all information. We have the starting picture from the customer, and now we have added another picture for the customer and all information. Now we are ready and say okay, stop working. And these you can see, this is the overview from our customer. It's a test garage, It's the quote, transaction type, the delivering date. It's created by which user. Request time in the state is now in progress. How much you earn, your money earned from this deal. The shop advertiser and a little description. We say, okay, now we are ready, and say we want to send the offer now to the customer, and say, okay, we want to click to this button, say, we confirm it, and now the customer has been notified for this offer, and we say, okay, it's very, then we, next time we go log out, and now the customer have two ways to get the information. We see here, hello, dear customer, we have an information, we have an offer for you, and the customer only must click to this link. We don't know your website URL, your login data. Also we have a quote for PDF, but it's very cool here to click only to the button, say okay, and the customer have in seconds now the multimedia offer. We have the summary from all pictures you added, the main picture the customer have added, a little bit smaller must, okay, and we have now the other picture we have added. It's a new compressor. Okay, it's very nice. We see the supplier, the article description, the buying price, and if you want to order this, we only must click to select the order, or you can say a comment, a chat, like a live chat. So I say thank you, thank you, it's too expensive, an example. So I post it, and now the information go to your company like a live chat. The next time is you see add a comment, the customer log out, but we have now a better solution, like to order it via app. We go back to the customer app and have the information. We go to the point overview here, and now we have all deals we have ordered and all requests into the app. We take our last request, look at the picture, and we have all the same in the app like in the web. No, very easy. We have to choose to delete the position. We have all information you have added for the customer. We have the voice message. You have the live chat inside here. And if I click now order, the article will be automatically ordered by your company. It's very cool. It's very easy to use for the customer. We have the main usability all in the app. But this is a newest way, the coolest way to communicate with your customer. Customer always on the road, have a solution. You need an article, you can make a voice information, and your workers in your company can do the job for him and can send it in seconds to your smartphone, and have all information inside. We have with invoice inside the app. We have tracking. I will just show you tracking information. Moment. Yes, here I have an example here. We have a look at we have inside here. Like here in DHL tracking, package tracking. If it's inside, you only click into the app, and we have mobile tracking for your delivery address if it's sent it by by FedEx or DHL or another company. It is a full web shop in an app. The important thing, it's very easy for your customer. Yeah, this is our quick solution, quick introduction from our web shop app and web shop solution. Thank you very much for watching.